Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to play and download Minecraft on your PC and laptop for free. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser as see from here, and now you need to search for Minecraft trial. Hit on enter and this link will pop up to you. So this is the official Minecraft website. You need to just open it, and after that from here you need to just scroll down and download it on your device. So there's two editions, there's the Bedrock edition and there's the Minecraft Java edition. So if your device is Linux, Debian, Mac or Arch based, I'll see from here you can just download the Java edition, or if it's Windows you can download both editions. So you can click on whatever edition you want. As you see from here, it will redirect you to Microsoft page. You can click on get free trial. So as see from here, you can click on get for free and it will download Minecraft on your PC for free. I'll see from here. All you need to do now is to just click on install to your own. I'll see from here, and that's it. Now you got Minecraft for free on your device. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.